Kindly inform them and ask them to join the session. We will be starting in next 2 to 3 minutes.
Dear students, these sessions have been arranged for you all, right? We have a trainer, Princer, with us. He is all here to train you guys on what cybersecurity is, and he is also here to help you out with the project side of things. But this feels so bad when we see very few of you have joined the session. We know that we will provide you with the recording, but the recording is just to refer to what things have been discussed in the meeting, and it is not the source of getting the insight about what is going to be what has taken place in the session, right? So I believe most of you might have not, most of your friends might have not joined because of the recordings thing, but this is not the right practice. I would request each one of you, please ask your friends and batchmates to join the session if you haven't joined it so far. We will start in next 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. One important thing which I want to tell all of you, that if you have not done your registration on IBM Skills platform, please do it, because doing registration and then doing the courses on the IBM Skills platform is one of the most important activity you need to undergo in this internship process. Okay. And then only be to start working on your project. So because by that time you have gained your theoretical knowledge, or you have worked a lot of on your for the CS side of things, and that's possible when we do the courses. So request to everyone that if you have not done the registration so far, then please go through the old messages in the Telegram group. You will find the record for the orientation session. Refer to that recording, do your registration, and start doing the courses as well. Okay. And side by side, start working on your project also. So, Prince sir, I would also request you, please take some 15 or 10-15 minutes time from total 2 hours duration for the students to explain them about the project thing, because there were queries from their end that what the project topic is, how we are going to work on it. Right. So if you can just support them with this thing also, maybe during the end of the session when you're going to close it, you can just take those 10-15 minutes last and explain them about it. It will be of a great help for them.
Yeah, of course, sure.
Thank you so much, sir. I think so we can start with the session. You can share your screen. Uh, the other students can join in the meantime in when you are doing it. So we can start, sir.
Okay, okay, right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, all the students. So, today we are going to discuss the basics of cyber security, and we will see some attacks or how we can secure our systems in the cyber world. That's the main agenda for this workshop, to our workshop. So, here in this workshop, we are mainly discussing fundamentals of cybersecurity. What are the threats? What do you mean by vulnerabilities? What are the different types of attackers? What are the different attacks possible? And how we can secure from this type of attack. We will demonstrate something, some hands-on activities as well, so that you can get a clear picture of how the attacker is attacking your systems. And we, at the end of the session, last 15 minutes, as the mom told you, we will discuss some project on cybersecurity, that is a keylogger, how we can implement a keylogger software, and what is the purpose of keylogger, why it is used. So that all things we are covering at the end of the sessions. So this is the agenda for the session. Okay, we are, I think we can start. Okay, I can make it as full screen. Okay, before going to the fundamentals, actually, what is the cyber security? So the cyber security is one of the emerging technology or the emerging field in the computer science. So cyber security is nothing but it is securing our asset from the cyber world, from the cyber criminals, we can say. Or we all are living in a cyber world. We all are using different types of gadgets. You are having the laptop, maybe smartphone, or some other electronic gadgets that is connected to the internet. And in the internet is a wide space. There are some hackers or some malicious person may be there. They may have attack your systems. Attacking in the sense they can steal your information, steal the sensitive information like your password or some sensitive files, images, videos that you have stored on the internet. They can steal that things. So cybersecurity is nothing but how we can secure all these things from the cyber criminals. How we can secure, how you can securely send the messages to your friends, how you can store your files, your images, your videos, your files, sensitive information, your password, how you can secure all those things. That is called cyber security, securing everything, your hardware, gadgets like your laptop, the personal computer, smartphone, tablet, how you can secure all those things. So that is actually called cyber security. And why the cyber security is important? Why we are studying the cyber security? Why the cyber security is important? Why the organizations prefer cyber security professionals? Every organization should have some cybersecurity expert. What is the need for them? Just imagine every organization, maybe your college or school having a website or a server may be there. All the student information will be there. All the students' mark list, or the students' mark, or the faculty's details, phone number, so many, your certificate, everything may be stored on a server machine. And you just imagine some cyber attack happen on server. Then what will happen? That data getting stolen from your server. So definitely it will affect the prestige of your institution, and it is affect your credibility. So many problems are there. And in order to get the data, somebody changed the mark list. Some problems may happen, means you need to backup. It costs so much. So better to avoid all such situations. You have to secure the system. You have to set up a secure system so that the attack may not happen in your systems. That is the best way. So it is cost effective, and it assures your credibility of your organizations as well. So that is why the cyber security is very, very important. Cyber security is very, very important. And the cyber security, the cyber attacks are constantly increasing day by day. So you may also had some news like that. This website may be hacked by some hackers. That government website may be hacked by some hackers. So the cyber attacks are happening or increasing day by day. So you need to find a better way to secure the systems from the hackers. For the hackers means I mean malicious persons. Hackers are different types. White hat hackers are there, black hat hackers are there, gray hat hackers are there, red hat hackers are there. Kitties are there, different types of hackers are there. So out of which white hacker means it is a very nice pupils. They are helping the society to secure the systems. But black hat hackers are the malicious person. Their intention is to damage the system. They are doing such a things for the money or some other illegal purposes. That is black hat hackers. So our aim is in this workshop, our aim is to become a white hat hacker. Our aim is to become a white hat hacker. So secure the system is our aim, not to attack or not to damage other system, not to steal the system, steal the other's data. That is not our aim. Our aim is to become a white hat hacker, or a white hat hacker is a technically expert person. They are helping others to secure the system. If they found any vulnerability, they are not going to attack the systems. They will report the things and do necessary action to avoid such situations. That is white hat hacker. So our thing is to be a white hat hacker, not a black hat. Okay, never be like a black hat. So this is cyber security is very important whenever and wherever we are using the computer systems. Okay, now we are going to see what are the different types of attacks. Mainly what type of attacks used by the attackers. Okay, so yes. Okay, so what are the different cyber security threats happening in the cyber world? So main cyber security threats, according to OWASP top 10, the main cyber security threats are this malware attack, phishing attack, password attack, DOS attack, or distributed denial of service attack, MITM attack, man in the middle attack, MITM, drive-by download, SQL injection, and XSS, cross-site scripting. So these are the main attacks, main attacks done by the black hat hackers. Main attacks in the cyber world. So the first one is malware attack. What do you mean by malware? I am sure you already heard about the word malware. Malware is nothing but it is just a computer program. It is a malicious computer program, not a computer program. It is a malicious computer program that affects the system badly. That is called a malware. Example, virus. Virus is a computer program. You can also write a program like a virus. You can write a simple program to delete all the files and create an exe file and send to your friend. Whenever your friend double click that exe file, what will happen? His entire files and folders getting deleted. That type of programs, that is intention is not good. It is a program, but the intention is not so good. Such a programs we can call it as malwares. Malware is a general term. It is or it is an umbrella term. Any program that is designed to disrupt the system, that is called a malware. Virus is an example. Trojan horse is an example. Hardware is an example. Ransomware is another example. So there are different malwares are there. Different types of malwares. So how to protect from this type of malwares? How to protect from this type of malwares? The best thing is better use a very good antivirus in your system. Not a pirated version, very good antivirus, original antivirus, and regularly updated antivirus. That is the best way. Best way. So whenever so the antivirus will detect if any virus is affected in your system, and you can also protect avoid such a situation to getting installed such a type of systems, such a type of malwares. Don't install any unwanted files, unwanted softwares in your system. That is the best way. Don't install, don't install any unwanted software. Whenever you are installing some unwanted softwares in your system, that softwares may be embedded with a virus. What will happen is whenever you are downloading from an untrusted sources or something, the software will be getting downloaded along with the virus. Whenever you are double clicking, software is getting executed as well as the virus is also getting executed. So better to avoid uninstalling or not installing any unwanted software, any unknown sources. So that is the malware. It is a malware. Malware is just a program to what happens. It will the program that is designed for unintentionally or the intention is not so good. That is malware. And the second thing is phishing attack. This is also done by the attackers. So attacker can, this attack is mostly to get your password, steal your password or steal your sensitive informations. So how to do the phishing is the attacker or hacker, black hacker. Whenever I am saying attacker, just imagine it is just assume it is a black hacker. So whenever an attacker sends you a link through WhatsApp or SMS and says that you are the winner of this lottery worth 1 crore Indian rupees. Please click the link to claim the prize. Suppose you are receiving such a type of messages. Whenever you are clicking that link, what will happen? It will open a website. Definitely, this website may be designed by the attacker. It may have some similarity or it may look exactly same as some original famous website. Okay, for example, you are receiving a message. Okay, whenever you are receiving a message, says that during this yoga day, okay, yoga festival, Amazon is selling this laptop for only 500 rupees. You are receiving a message through SMS or WhatsApp, says something like that. Amazon is selling laptop with only 500. Please click the link below to claim this gift. Whenever you are clicking what needs to open a website that looks exactly same as the original Amazon website, and the victim that you may think that it is the original Amazon, and there is a chance that you are entering your details over there, your username, your password. There is a chance that you are entering over there, but you are entering these details on a wrong website. That website designed by the attacker. Whenever you are providing the information, this information is easily captured by the attacker. That type of things are called a phishing attack, or it is called a social engineering attack. Social engineering attack. It is called a phishing attack, or stealing the sensitive information. That is called a phishing attack. And third main security threats available nowadays is the password attack. In the password attack, what happens is you are having some accounts, maybe Facebook account or Instagram account, and it is secured with some. If your password is not strong enough, if your password is very weak, like ABC123. You are designed a password like ABC123. It can be very easily cracked, or you are setting the password as your date of birth, then somebody can easily guess your password may be this thing. Your password is your mobile phone number. Your password is your something, your favorite film name or something. If you are designing such a type of password, then this can be easily cracked by the attacker by using some brute force attack. There are different tools are available like John Triple Excel. So many tools are available to brute force the password. So when this password, remember it should be strong enough so that the attacker is not able to guess, or whenever you are designing a password, make sure that the contain at least 8 characters with a minimum, with at least one capital letter, at least one small letter, at least one special character, and some other criteria, so that it should be a good password, so that nobody can able to guess this password. So this is how you can prevent password attacks. Always prevent the password attack. Always design a strong password. Okay, some cases are there. Somebody is setting the ATM pin number. Okay, they are setting the ATM pin number with registration number. Registration number. They are setting the ATM pin number. Okay, it can be easily guessed. So don't do such a type of things. Always design a strong password. Otherwise, attacker easily attack your. Okay, there is some questions are there. There is a WhatsApp says that there is a what the type is this. Okay, some whenever you are receiving such a type of things, when a link is provided means definitely it is a phishing attack. Definitely it is a phishing attack. And fourth attack here, it is DDoS attack, distributed denial of service attack or denial of service attack. The denial of service attack, it is mainly happening on the server side, on a server. Maybe your college or your school, school or college having definitely a website. And this website is definitely hosted on server machine, not on the server machine. This attack is purposefully done by the attacker side. Attacker is sending a packet bomb to the that server, make the server down, make the server unavailable, or make the server busy, so that the server is very busy with having all the requests by the attacker, or the server is having no time to serve other requests. And whenever other end users are trying to access your knowledge website, what will happen? It is that it is unavailable, it is not responding, such a type of things. That type of attack we can call it as DDoS service. Service is getting denied. A simple example, then it will be more clear. We all are using IRCTC website, right? We all are using IRCTC website. And at some time, mostly in the peak time, say that 10 to 11 a.m., the IRCTC website is getting very high. Why it is happen? Why it is happening? The peak time it is getting very slow. In the peak time it is very slow. What happens is most of the pupils, all the persons are trying to access the website at the same time. At the same time, all are requesting the IRCTC website, and the server is very busy. Very busy. The server is not able to handle all the requests. That is why it is sometimes in the big time whenever you are accessing IRCTC website, it is not responding. Sometimes it is not responding. So this is an example of some denial of service. It is because all are accessing the website and make the server busy. Make the server busy. The attacker can purposefully make the server busy by sending a request to the server. For example, your college website. I am accessing the website. Okay, no issues. I am opening two browser and accessing your website, then also the server. So I am sending two requests to the server. But I am opening 1,000 tab in my, I am sending the request. So the server is little busy because he need to handle the 1,000 requests. What will happen if I am sending 1 lakh requests to the server? Then the server is very busy by handling the request from the attacker side. Attacker send all the requests to the server. The server is very busy handling with all the requests. Or the server is very busy. So during that time, your website is not available for others because the server is handling the request from my end. This type of attack is called a denial of service. I can do it with a simple ping request. I can simply ping a request to your college website so that one request from my end I am sending to them. So one request I can send, but I can send a ping bomb or a packet bomb to the server using hping command. Hping command is there in the Linux. You can send a packet bomb to the server. A simple example I can show you. I don't know your college website is any website. Okay, for example, very small website, Google. Okay, google.com. I am opening the term. Okay, this is my terminal. I can send a ping google.com. Google.com. So what will happen? I am sending 64 bytes of data to this server. This is the google.com website. I am sending 64 byte. This time again I am sending 64 byte. I am continuously sending with my this terminal. On this terminal I am sending. If I am opening 1,000 terminal like this and sending the packet to ping request to Google, means the server is getting some what it is. The server is little busy. I can ping to your college website. I can ping 1,000 times. I can ping 2,000 times or 1 lakh times. So it will make your system or your server fine. Such a type of attack we can call it as denial of service. Denial of service. Service is getting delayed. And the next type of attack is called man in the middle attack. See, next attack is called the MITM attack, man in the middle. Okay, oh sorry, main in the middle, not main in the middle, it is man in the middle, MITM attack. So in the MITM attack, what happens is, it is a very dangerous attack actually. And it is very difficult to identify you are getting attacked or hacked by the hackers. It is mainly happening whenever you are accessing a public Wi-Fi. In the airport, so many public Wi-Fi's are available. And in the railway station, some public Wi-Fi's are available. You are free to use the internet. But in this scenario, what happens is, there may be a router will be there or the access point will be there, something like this. Man in the middle attack, it is the access point. This is the access point. Here so many users are there. So many users are there, so many end users are there. And it may be, this is another user, this is another user. This is the access point. And you are browsing something with this public Wi-Fi. What happens is, you are sending a request to this server, not the server, this router or the access point, and the access point return or respond back to you, so that you are getting the web page on your screen or your laptop. Your laptop will be connected to the public Wi-Fi, so you are directly connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot, and you are getting the details. Okay, that is good. This is actually happening in the public Wi-Fi. But in the public Wi-Fi, so many people are connected in the same network. This person is the another other person is also there. This is an attacker. See, this is an attacker. This is the attacker machine. He is an attacker. What he do is he tells you that you are previously you are directly sending the details. You are directly send the details to the this access point. Then what happens is he will tell you that I am this attacker will tell you that I am the access point. You just send the request to me. So your computer is sending the request to him. He is forwarding this request to the access point. And he tells the access point that I am this machine, so you just respond to me. So access point respond with this person responds back the data, and he forwarded to this person. So whenever you are doing any messages or any packet, it is going through this attacker, or attacker is acting as a middleman between yourself and this access point. Whatever the packet you and the access point is exchanging, it is through this middleman. And the middleman can analyze this packet through Wireshark tool or some other tools. He can analyze the packet and he is able to see what all are the packet you are sending. He can see all the packets. All the packet. If you are doing some sensitive information like a password or some credit card information or anything, it is definitely passing through this attacker side. And attacker is easily capturing all these details. So such an attack is called a denial of service. Whenever you are browsing, okay, you are getting, whenever you are typing onlinesba.com, you are getting onlinesba.com website on your machine, but you are not aware about it is through the attacker side. It is very difficult to identify. What are the things you are surfing, you are getting the result. So there is no, you never feel that any issues over there. But there may be such issues, maybe there in the case of man in the middle, the MITM, the middleman or the attacker can capture all the packet that you are sending, and he can analyze the packet and then see capturing all the packets, and he can read all the sensitive information. So never use public Wi-Fi for sensitive information or sensitive data. Whenever sensitive website, whenever you want to do some sensitive actions, definitely don't try to use public Wi-Fi because there may be some type of attack, maybe like this may happen. MITM attack may be happen. So this is called the MITM or man in the middle attack. In order to do the MITM attack, there are different tools are available, like EtherCap is there, BetterCap is there, so many other tools are also there. So MITM is very dangerous attack, very difficult to identify if it is happening or not. It is very difficult to identify. And the next one is drive-by downloads. Next is drive-by downloads. Whenever you are downloading something, this type of attack may be happen. And SQL injection, we are going to see what is SQL injection and all those things. Cross-site, so we are going what is cross-site scripting and SQL injection as well. So these two attacks mainly happening to attack a particular website. This attack is done by attacker to attack a website. Your college may have a website or any organization. Most of the organizations have their own website. It shows the capability or of your organization. Every small organization may have the website. If your website is not secure, the attacker is, if some small vulnerability is there, definitely attacker can attack your website. For example, SQL injection is one attack. SQL injection is used by the attacker to attack your website. For simple example, your college website. Okay, your college website having your login, or the faculty login is there, principal login may be there, student login may be there, parents login will be there. Every login have their options. Okay, the principal login may have some additional privilege. Some privilege may be set. Teacher login, the faculty login may not have such a privilege as like a principal. Students login may not have such a privilege. Students login don't have the privilege to enter mark or update the mark. Only the teacher login should have such a privileges. And the parents login may have some other privileges. And the question is, suppose you are getting the or there may be on top of all, there may be some admin user will be there for the website. Admin user having all the privileges on the website, all the privileges. He can do, he can add a new student, he can delete a student, he can update the mark of a student, all the things. He is starting new courses, everything. He can do all the things. And the thing is that if you are getting, or the attacker is getting the admin privilege, he can do anything in your website. So the SQL injection is actually used to get such a type of privileges, or the admin bypass. So the such a type of called the SQL injection. I will show some demonstration as well with the SQL injection, then it will be more clear. So SQL injection is mainly used to attack a website, website. And another one is cross-site scripting XSS. XSS is also a type of website attacking vector, website attacking method to attack a website. As you know, every website website is actually nothing but it is intended to render on a browser. So browser knows only three languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So JavaScript is also known by browser. These are the only three things that can be executed in a browser. And in the website, in the front page, there may be some search option or anything will be there. You suppose you are writing some JavaScript code over there, and a quick search means if that JavaScript code is executing, means that website is vulnerable. So that you can write some malicious JavaScript code and execute means you will get more details, more details about that website, like cookies and some session IDs and all this. So that is called the cross-site scripting. I will show some demo with the cross-site scripting, then it will be more clear. So these are the main attacks in the recent era, in the current era. These are the some okay, what it is. These are some cybersecurity threats of the cybersecurity attacks doing by the attackers. SQL injection is an example of MITM attack. No, definitely no. SQL injection is not an MITM attack. MITM attack example, I can say what I can say is, okay, you can create a fake access point. Okay, you are in a college, you can create your own fake, your college having a college Wi-Fi access point, and the name will be your college name. Okay, that is the college Wi-Fi, the real college Wi-Fi. But the attacker or a malicious person, what he is creating, he is going to create a fake access point. Fake access point with the same name. So the other students may think that this access point belongs to the college and they are trying to connect with this access point. So the students are connecting to the fake access point, and what the data they are sending is captured by the fake access side. Such a type of attack we can say it is an MITM attack. SQL injection is not an example of MITM. Can we modify the packets? Yeah, definitely. And through MITM attack, definitely we can modify the packet and send back to the sender or receiver. Manipulate the request. Definitely we can manipulate the request as well. Okay, definitely we will do some demo as well. Don't worry. Modify the request packet through. Can we modify the request packet through MITM attack? Yes, we can. We can modify the packet. If this person send a message to this attacker receive it, attacker forward this one, but he can modify the packet and he can send to the server side. Similarly, he is getting the response from the access point. He can modify, and the modified packet he can send to this person. This is also possible. That is the MITM attack. Okay, now we are going to see much more details about the phishing attack. Okay, SQL injection, we will see in the later. Okay, in this session itself, SQL injection. So I will show some demo on SQL injection, then it will be clear. Okay, we are going to see what we mean by phishing attack. So phishing is nothing but the attacker is creating a fake page, fake website. For example, attacker is creating a, we all know the Facebook.com or Instagram.com. We all are having the accounts. Maybe we all are having the accounts in Facebook or Instagram.com. We know the look and feel of Instagram and Facebook. Whenever you see a page, you can identify that whether it is a Facebook or Instagram. So what the attacker do is he is creating a new website. He can develop, anybody can create a website. Anybody can develop a website. Only thing is, you know HTML, some simple CSS and the JavaScript. Then you can also design a website. So what the attacker are doing is he is creating a website with the same look and feel of that Facebook. Same look and feel of that Facebook, and send this page to the victim. When victim open this, what he feels? He feels that it is original Facebook, and there is a chance that he is entering his exact username and password. If he is entering the username and password on that fake website, it can be captured by the attacker side. So this is called a phishing attack. So this is the just a simple example of the phishing attack. The attacker, he create a fake website, and send it to this person. Okay, send it to this person via email, via WhatsApp, via SMS, or any other means. He can send a link to this person. When user click this one, it opens a website, and it looks exactly same as that original website. And there is a chance that he enters the username and password. What happens is he is entering on a wrong website. Remember, he is entering on a wrong website. He thinks that it is the original one. But the look and feel, both are same. By seeing the look and feel, both look same. So there is a chance that he is entering the username and password. If he is entering the username and password, should be captured at the attacker side. It is capturing at the attacker side. This attack is called a phishing attack. So I will show you how you can do this attack. So I am opening, this is my victim machine. As I think, assume that this is my victim machine. And this is my attacker machine. Next is my attacker machine. Okay, this is my attacker machine. This is the attacker machine, and this is the victim machine. And in the attacker machine, attacker side, attacker is creating a fake website. Attacker is going to create a fake website so that we can use. Okay, so there is a nice tool there, set sudo, set toolkit. The toolkit is there. Okay. Not to do an attack, what we can do is, it is definitely a social engineering attack. And here the option is I am selecting is website attacking because we are going to attack a website. So and use the credential harvester method attack. So option 3. And here web templates are all available here. So I am selecting option. And which website I need to create a fake one. Okay, we can do with facebook.com. So http colon double slash www.facebook.com. Disable server is. Okay, now my website is ready. My website is ready. Before that, let me check what is my IP address. My IP address is 10.211.55.tall. 10.211.55.12, I think. Okay. Okay, see, whenever I am accessing this one, I am getting a website. It looks something exactly it's the same as the book. But see, this is not a facebook.com. It is not a facebook.com. It is a fake website created by the attacker. It is a fake website created by the attacker. And when the attack when this link, okay, this is the link. If the attacker sending this link to the victim and say something like that you win the lottery or some catchy messages along with this link, when the victim click the link, it opens a website like this. There is a chance that this type of attack is called a phishing attack. This type of attack is called a phishing attack. Okay, if I am entering some QQQ and the password 12345, here means it is definitely captured over here. Definitely somewhere is getting captured. We need to from it.
Recording in progress.
Okay, not to fix the things. This is how we are able to capture. Or the attacker is creating a fake website. Attacker is going to create a fake website, and send this link to the victim. When victim click the link, it opens a fake page, and whenever he is entering the username and password, attacker is able to capture them. Okay, you can use a set toolkit command for this. Set toolkit is one of the command used by the Kali Linux to perform such a things. Okay, how can you, okay, that is a question, Sanagama. How can you know, is it a real or fake? Okay, for doing this social engineering, we need to be same network. Like a victim system should be connected. No, definitely no. We can host this website on a public server so that you can get a domain name, purchase a domain name like faceb00k.com. You can purchase a domain name like this and send that link to the victim. Then victim open it, it will, the website is faceb00k. It is not so difference between Facebook and this website. So there is a chance that he is mistakenly clicking that link and opens our website. And the look and feel also same. So there can be a chance for getting the username and password. So there is such a things are called. This is called. Let me check the credential. Yeah, who is trying to phishing? Yes. So this is called a phishing attack. So phishing attack is nothing but attacker create a fake website and send the link. Is there any way to find the location of the attacker who is trying to phishing? Definitely, something is there because we are fetching how to before that how to know whether it is how to protect from this type of attack, how to protect from this type of attack. Whenever you are entering, okay, then 10 point. Okay, this is the web. Okay, unfortunately I have close to that server. So if you are seeing whenever you are trying to enter the username or password or some other sensitive information, double check the URL. Just to ensure that you are entering on the correct website or not. You are entering on the correct website or not. You just double check the URL. That is the best way to identify. Best way to identify whether it is fake or real. So if you are receiving an IP address, something like this, and it looks like a facebook.com or anything, then definitely it is a fake website. So double check the URL. And another question by anonymous user, how can you, okay, location, find the location of the attacker who is trying to phishing. The best way is to, anyway, we are getting this IP address or you are getting some domain name. Definitely you are getting some URL or some IP address over there. If you are getting a URL, you can just ping to that URL. If you are getting a URL like some URL, you are getting some URL like facebook.com. Okay, it is the original. Okay, then what happens is you are getting the IP address. Okay, see this is IP address. Okay. Now, if you just ping that one, you will get this IP address. The IP address is 157.240.240.35. This is the IP address. Then you can go for DNS map or some IP. What is my IP or something is there? Some website is there. What is my IP? What is my IP? Here, you can search this IP address and some nice website is there or geomap or some other website is there. IP2 location. Nice website is there. If you are getting IP location, this one is good. You just we got the IP address. Just search for that IP address. This is the IP. Okay. I have closed. I think this is the Facebook. This is the website. Copy this one. Copy this one and paste over here. Paste over here and search this one. It is IP lookup. And you will get more information. The latitude, longitude, region, land, okay, all these things you are getting. Organization, all the informations you are getting. It is a Facebook organization is this one, latitude is there. Every information you are getting from that IP address. This is how you can get that information of that attacker who is trying to hack Is there any way to distinguish between the fake website and the original one? Okay, there is original one. Most of the original website, you just double check whether it is HTTP yes or no, secure website or not. If it is not secure, then try to avoid such a type of website. Which tool I have used a set toolkit. If you are not familiar with the set toolkit hosting website, can we use NGRock? Yeah, NGRock also you can use. Yeah, we can try with NGRock. I will host the website in NGRock, and you can also try. Okay, I will try with NGRock. Okay, I'm going to create one more website. If you are not familiar with the set toolkit or any tool, what you can do is this is the original one, no doubt. Okay, this is the original website. Okay, no doubt about this one. This is the original one. Check the URL, it is the correct one. Just right click anywhere. Just right. I am going to create a fake website. Okay. Just right click anywhere. Right click anywhere and click on view page sources. Then you are getting the page source. Just copy this one and create a new file, cd desktop. I am moving to desktop, and here I am going to create a new file, nano fb.html. I am going to create a new file. Oh, okay, it is already there. Control X. Okay, nano. I am going to create a new file, nano fake.html. I am going to create a new file, fake.html. Here I am pasting all the code. Paste. I have pasted all the code over here and I am saving it. Now go to desktop. In the desktop, I have created the fake website. This is the original one. Okay, fake.website, fake.html. Now just open it, double click, see. Fake.html. This is a fake website. See, this is the fake website. Check the URL. It is fake.html. See this one. It is facebook.com. This is the original facebook.com. This website that I have created just now. So both looks exactly the same, no difference. Only the URL is having the difference. URL is different. This is the original one. This is the fake one. URL is different, but remaining things are the same. So this is the fake website that I have created. Now I am going to host it. I am going to host this one. In order to host, I am going to host so that you can also access this website. Okay, let me try. I am going to host on www.html. Okay, FB. In the FB folder, we are just hosting it. Okay, I already having this file, fb.html. Now I am going to, what is my IP address? Once again, I am checking my IP address, IPIF config 10.211.55.1. In the victim machine, this is the victim machine. This is some other machine. Okay, in the victim machine, I am accessing that website 10.211.55.tot slash. In that FB folder is there, I think. It is copied over here. I am hosted on the folder name www.html. In the HTML page, FB folder is there, fb.html. That is the full URL, fb/fb.html. This is the complete URL. If unable to connect because my server is, I am forgot to start the server. So as you know, service ability to start. Okay, I have started the server. Now I am just refreshing this. This is the victim machine. I open it. Okay, not HTTPS, only 10 point. See, I am getting this page. The victim getting the page. This is the victim machine. This is another machine on the same network. So we are getting this page. We are getting the page. If you are entering the username and password, then we are able to this is the attacker machine. Attacker is able to fetch read the details. Now I am going to host by using ngrok. Ngrok. Okay, we need to log in. Me 1 minute. I am posting the website so that you are able to access. I think I am posting using ngrok. Okay, this command we need to paste. Authentication token, paste. Saved, then I am posting. Okay, ngrok HTTP 80 port. I am forwarding the port. /ng HTTP port 80. It is forwarded to this one. Okay. This is the website. I am pasting this on the I am pasting this link on the chat box. Copy selection. Let me check before that. Let me check if it is working or not. /fb folder /fb.html. Okay, here I am getting something. Visit the website. Click on visit the website. Now I am getting the page. See, this is the website. It looks exactly same as the Facebook. I am sharing this on the chat box. Okay. Oh, sorry. I am not able to. Okay. On the chat box, to host and panelist only I can send. Sorry, I am not able to. I'm not able to send it to all. Host and panelist. Okay, I'm not able to send it to you all. So this is the link. It is publicly available. Now it is publicly available. This website is publicly available. So anybody can access the website. You can also access the website. I'm sorry, I am not able to send it through the chat because some problem with my chat. Also, if you are accessing this website, it looks like this. It looks like this. It looks like the exact facebook.com. And if you are entering the username and password, this is the client side, or assume that this is your machine. This is your machine. This is the URL. This is a public URL. Anybody can access. Anybody in the world can access this website. Now I have posted this one. The attacker myself. And if I am entering some username QQQ and password 123, if I am clicking login, okay, what happens is it is going, this details getting captured over here. Definitely it is going to capture over here. FB here, yeah, previously this file was not there. Just now it is created. If I am opening this one, okay, something, okay. Okay, see, email is QQQ. Email that I have just ended. So this is how we can yeah, capture the username and password. This is the attacker side. Attacker create the website. Attacker create the website and host anywhere and send the link to the victim. So this is the link. This is the link. This is the link. And when the victim click this link, it opens a website something like this. If I am entering the details, suppose I am entering the details like cybersecurity at gmail.com. This is my username and password. I don't tell you. This is my password. So click on login. Then come back to here. This is the attacker side. The attacker will be able to see that details. Okay, definitely the attacker is able to get the details. Somewhere it will be there. Cybersecurity or something where it is at gmail.com. Anyway, somewhere it will be. Definitely it is somewhere here. What is that? Here you can see cybersecurity@gmail.com. So what all are the things they are entering, we are able to capture it. This is called the phishing attack. This is called the phishing attack. So I can see so many queries are there. You can also how to use Linux on Mac. Okay, you can use any virtual machine. Okay, it is anonymous attendee. Not to use on MacBook. If you are using M1 processor, ARM-based processor, definitely you can use some UTM. UTM is one of the application that is free of cost. You can try that one and load the Linux virtual machine. Or you can try for Parallels. Parallels is not free. That also you can use for a Linux on Mac. This fake set toolkit is not working on Windows. Set toolkit is not working. You can download. You can download and install set toolkit. But set toolkit is already available with the Kali versions. Why we use Nano? Nano is just I have created a new file. If you are a Windows user, you can open the Notepad. Is phishing done only on Kali Linux? No, definitely you can do with Windows. What you can do is you just create a file, create a notepad, open a notepad, copy the HTML file and post it somewhere. That's it. Everything will be that you can from any machine. What is the best, Kali or Red Hat? For the hacking and ethical hacking and the cyber security purpose, Kali Linux is the best. Kali Linux or Parrot. For networking side and other things, the Red Hat, you can go for Red Hat. Can we use a port? Usually HTTP protocol work on port 80 or 8080, not 444. That is why I have used port 80. What's the discuss about the project that you have to make? Yeah, definitely we will, Avinash, definitely we will tell you, I will tell you the project details. We can use your public IP. Yeah, I have given the answer, I think. I give the calculator PHP, yes. Okay, this is the link. Okay, if I am clicking this one, this is not the link. This is the link. Okay, no, this is the link. I think the link has some problem. A0CP 9243148168. Okay, this is the link actually. There may be some problem. This is not the link. This is the link. This is the link. I am unable to, okay, copy. I will copy to you. This is the link. You can click on that link, but don't enter the correct username and password. Don't enter correct username and password. If you are entering correct username and password, definitely it will be captured from my end. I am going to capture it. Don't try to enter a correct username and password. Okay, password is in the encrypted format. That is why you are not able to see. Then you open and say, okay, hub.php. Okay, everybody is asking for hub.php script. Okay, so sure. Hub.php, what I have written is just a PHP script. This is it is just a PHP script. This is a script. So what I am opening is, first of all, I am opening username.txt file in append mode. A is called append mode. If it is not there, it is going to create this username.txt file. And what the things you are sending from the username, you are from the front end here, this is the front end. We are sending two things that we are capturing over here. We are capturing over there and we are writing it over in that file. And after that, I am closing that handle. So this is the code for hack.php file. On the button click, I am calling this on this button click. On this is my own page. This is my own page. See, this is my own page. I have created the page. On this button click, I am calling that hack.php file. So this is the code somebody asked. I will share to the code as well. So, this is a hack.php. Okay, the connection is okay. Okay, I already signed up in NGRock, so I don't think it reaches the limit because I am able to I am getting this page. Okay, so this is called a phishing attack. Now we are having 45 minutes or 30 minutes. So next topic we are going to cover is SQL injection or some website attack. Okay, let me check if anybody entered the details. I'm just opening username. Okay, I can see somebody is also entered the details, I think. Yeah, John. Okay, I don't know who is this one. John, I think some of you have entered johndoy@facebook.com. Now I have received this one. Somebody has entered. Okay, good. But don't enter the correct username and password. Okay, don't enter correct username. Okay, it is definitely not the correct one. Okay, thank you. So I can capture such a username and password with the, this is called a phishing attack. The attacker is creating the fake one. Attacker is creating the fake web page, send the link to the persons, They think that it is original one, and if they are sending the details means I can capture or the attacker can capture. And my question is how to avoid such a situation, how to avoid or how to protect from this type of phishing attack. That is what we are going to see. How we can protect from this phishing attack. So best option is never click any unwanted links. Never click any unwanted links. That is the best way to avoid the such type of phishing attack. Okay, so that is phishing attack. Now we are going to see what is SQL injection. Before going to SQL injection, let me open my one more machine. Okay, I'm opening my one more Linux major machine. So this is UTM. UTM. If you are using a Mac user, you can set up a Linux on Mac by using this UTM. It is completely free. I have added one machine over there. This is a UTM page, UTM application. Here you can add multiple operating systems. You can click plus and add multiple operating systems. So SQL injection is a method to attack some website. Method to attack some website. Okay, I will show you how this SQL injection works. There is another question, Bajit. If you click the fake link by mistake, if you simply click the link means that also makes the problem. But and if you enter the username and password in a fake website, better change the password immediately. Immediately change the password. That is the only thing that you can do. Is that metasploitable? Yes. Metasploitable. Click this. Okay, config. This is my IP address of this machine. IP address is 192.168.64.4. Okay, this is the attacker machine. This is the attacker machine or any machine. Oh, somebody is still accessing the website, I think. Still somebody is accessing. So okay, if I am opening, I can see so many persons are accessing. I am stopping the server in Xerox server so that you are not able to access the fake website. Okay, now I am going to open a website. Opening these two, I am opening a website. My website is this one, 192.168.64.4. And I am opening this website. Okay, this is a one website. Maybe your college website or some other website. Just imagine this is your college website or some other website. And most of the website having a field called login. Okay, see, not logged in. Okay, here it is not logged in. And I am going to click login. But I don't know the username and password because I have not registered. Because I have not registered in this website, really I have not registered. And I don't know the username and password. And if I am getting the admin privilege on this website, I can do anything on that website. If I am getting some admin privilege on this website, I can do anything on this website. So one method to attack such a type of getting the admin privilege or bypass admin authentication, one method is with the help of SQL injection. So I mean, what happens when you are typing this username and password? Whenever you suppose you are typing the username, this one, this is a username, and this is the password. You are typing the username and password here. What will happen? This username and password send it to the backend side or the server side and check with the database if this entry exists in the database or not. This is a real thing happening. What all of the things you are entering over here, it has to send it to the server side and check with the database whether it is existing with the record in the database. If it is existing, okay, you are authenticated. If it is not existing, if I am clicking login, this entry is not there. If this entry is not there, so authentication failed, bad username or password, because that entry is not there. So bad username and password. So what happens is, what are the things you are entering over here, this definitely goes to the server side and check with the database. In the how to check with the database, definitely there is some SQL query will be there. SQL query may be something like this. Okay, some SQL query like okay, I'm opening my PPT. Now my SQL query may be something like this. Okay, on the backend side to check whether the username and password is correct or not, select a star from the table name is uses where username equal to the thing that you have received from there. That is, we have entered a QQQ, for example, QQQ is the username and password equal to, again you are sending QQQ from the front end side. This may be the query. So if you are entering here QQQ over here and password QQQ, then what will happen is, if I am clicking login means this details comes over here on the backend side and this query getting executed. If this query returns a true value, then you are authenticated. Then you are authenticated. So this may be the query. The developer may develop a website with the query like this. Now, what the attacker do is, he is not going to enter like this text. He is trying to enter a single quote or 1 equal to 1 and minus minus, same as the password, single quote or 1 equal to 1 and minus minus. And he is entering this thing. Instead of anything, he is entering this SQL injection code, some SQL injection. He is injecting some SQL code through the front end. Then what happens? These details go to the backend side. Click login. What happens? See what happens. See the magic. See what happened? He is logged in as admin. What happened is, what he entered over there, he entered this thing, single quote or 1 equal to 1 minus minus as the username. Then how the query becomes? the origin this query, how to change this query. This was the previous query. Now the query changes. Instead of QQQ, he ended up this one. He ended up this one. And the password is also he ended like this. Now the query changes like this. Now the query changes like this. Just to read the query once again. Select a star from users where username equal to empty. That single quote is closed here. This single quote is closed here. Or 1 equal to 1 minus minus. What is the meaning of minus minus is in SQL? It is a comment. So rest of the line will not get executed. So after that, this will not get executed. So the query changes like this. Select a star from users where username equal to empty, username equal to this one, or 1 equal to 1. Either username should be empty string or 1 equal to 1. You know that 1 equal to 1 is always true. Either this one true or this one true. Any one of them should be true. So this one is always true and this query returns a true value. That is why you are authenticated from this website. You are authenticated. So you are authenticated over here with the admin privilege. This type of attack is called an SQL injection. This type of attack is called a SQL injection. Okay, I can show some. Okay, I can give a real website. This is a website, real website. Okay, this is a real website. Here, you can see sign in. Click on sign in, but we don't know the username and password. You can try with some SQL code. The attacker is trying with some SQL code. Okay, not you. Attacker is trying with some SQL injection code. So I am using this code. Single quote or 1 equal to 1 minus minus. Same as the password. Single quote or 1 equal to 1 and minus minus. It is a comment. Then click login. See what happens. See what happens. Hello, admin user. You are authenticated as an admin user. If you are an authenticated admin user, what you can do? You can do anything on this website. Transfer fund. You can transfer from this account to some other account. Okay. Edit usage is also there. You can change the password of the real admin. If I'm changing the password of the real admin, what will happen? Next time the real admin comes and try to change, try to log in means he's not able to log in because we are changed the admin password. So we are, since we are a white hat hacker, we are not going to do such illegal activities. We can add new users. So we can do anything on this type, this website. This type of, this is how we are, or the attacker is trying to attacking the website. Attacker is attacking the website. So SQL injection is one method to attack the website. So there are a lot of websites are available for SQL injection vulnerabilities. So this is one method. It is only for education purpose. Don't try to do any illegal things. Okay, never try to do some these things for illegal purposes. And how to protect from this type of attack? How to protect? How to protect from this this type of attack? How to protect? It is the responsibility of the developer who developed the website. It is the responsibility of the developer who developed the website. Developer has to check whether this has any vulnerabilities, SQL injection vulnerabilities, and all those things. So in PHP or any other languages, there is a prepare statement is also there in order to avoid such a type of SQL injections. A prepare statement is a very nice. Whenever you are, I'm sure some you will, you may be a software developer after your studies. Some of you may be going for a software developer, and definitely you will be working on web development. Whenever you are developing a web, you just check whether it is vulnerable to any vulnerability is there or not. You just check it. If there are any vulnerability means you have to avoid such a thing. Otherwise, anybody can be able to do login instance and admin and crash your website. So it will destroy your credibility of the organizations and all those things. So just to learn what this is called a SQL injection, and whenever you are creating a code, whenever you are writing a line of code, make sure that it is highly secure. You have to write a secure code as a developer. It is a responsibility of the developer, not the end user. End user can't do anything. It is a responsibility of the developer because it is the vulnerability in the SQL or in the backend side. That program is developed by the software developers. Their responsibility is to resolve such things. So this is called a SQL injection. This method is used to attack some website. Okay, so I can do some more. Let me check any other website is also there. You can use some Google Doc. Google. Okay, admin login. Let's check. I don't know your college website. Okay, admin login college. I have already opened, I think. I don't know which college is this one. Okay, I am opening some random college. This degree college. Case college. No, I am not opening Case college. Okay, Sanja college. Okay, what we can do is just try with this code. 1 equal to 1. I don't know whether it is working. The code 1 equal to 1 minus. No, it is not working here. Okay, let me try with this one. Code 1 equal to 1 minus minus or yes. Login. Okay, that also failed. Okay, I found some colleges without HTTPS. We have to check. For our HTTPS site. HTTPS site may be somewhat secure. Other site may be okay. HTTPS. Okay, you can good. Okay, no problems. So this is called the SQL injection, or I can check one more. Okay. So this is called a SQL injection. I am not able to find any website. Some websites are there. Definitely, you can find. You can use some Google Doc and you will find some website. So this is how you can use SQL injection to attack the website. Okay, so there are a lot of queries. I am sorry, I am not able to answer all the things. Is the primary input validation can prevent? Yes, input validation can prevent. Or to avoid the vulnerability assertion recording. Yeah, recording will be shared to you. Okay, some website somebody has shared. Let me check. Okay, here some website. I don't know. Single code. 1 minus minus 1 minus minus. Yeah. Okay, this is a website. Okay. Welcome admin. I am able to log in this website. I can change the password. I can get some other details. Don't try to do any malicious activities, even though you are able to log in as it is an autonomous college and a NAC B grade college. So don't try to do any malicious things over here. So this is how we can access the website. Drop table. Yes, that is also good. How to access Google Doc. Okay. Disconnect the comma and how you access the Google Doc is Google Doc is nothing but it helps you to deeply search or a very efficient method to search in Google. How Google Doc is asking what is Google Doc. So in Google Doc you can access how to download movies whenever you, I think you are interested to download movies, right? In the Google, what you are going to do? You go to Google, google.com. If you want to download some movie, you just type download movie, download, I don't know. So but better, you can use some Google Doc like this. Entitle, index of, MB4 is the format, right? MB4. And you will get some IP address, also some other things. Okay, see, this is one of the thing. This is an index of movies. You can go to this one. You can see so many movies you can see. Just click on this one. You can download all the movies you can see. I think so many movies are there. So this is one method to work simple Google Doc. Google Doc is not for downloading movies. It is an efficient method to get some files. If you want to download Java files, Java, okay, what to do? File type. This is Google Doc for corresponding. This is a way to search Java, just Java file type. You can mention the file type, and PDF. You mentioned it as PDF. Then only PDF files is getting out. This is a PDF file. This is a PDF file. Only PDF files. This is a book with a PDF file. These are the PDF files. So this is an efficient way to download or efficient way to search in the Google. That is called a Google Doc. So that is all for the technical session. Now we anyway in this we are having only 50 minutes left. So for project. So there are different types of attacks are there. Different types of attack. We have discussed only two things. Two attacks. That is, first one is phishing attack we have discussed, and what you mean by phishing, how to prevent the phishing that we have discussed, and next thing is website security. Website, how to attack a website, not attacking the website, how to secure. What are the methods to use to secure the website? The attacker is using this SQL injection and all those things to attack the website. But our aim is to, if you are find any website vulnerable, what you are going to do? Never do some illegal activities over there. Try to report the official so that they can correct their security vulnerabilities on the website. So we always have white hat hacker. Don't be like don't think like a black hat. So that is not so good. We are professionals. We always think and act like a white hat hacker. Everything for good for the society. We have to do something for the society. So these are the different types of attack. And another attack is called keylogger. Okay, keylogger is not definitely an attack. It is something can be useful as well. It can be useful for both sides. Can be used for negative side and the positive sides are there. For keylogger is just a software. You can design a software that automatically capture all the keystrokes. What all of the things you are typing with the keyboard, it is automatically capturing all the keystrokes from the system and it stores in a file. It is called a keylogger. So what is the advantage is that whenever you are typing something on your Word document or something, and you are unfortunately delete all those things, and what everything mistakenly you have deleted. But the keylogger captured all the keystroke and it is act as a backup file so that you can use for the later purpose. And even the parents, for parents, it can be very helpful. The parent can track their child, what they are doing. So the parent can give their laptop to the kids, their children, and they are using their laptop and all those things. And whenever they are typing something on the Google, they are searching something. They need to type something. They need to type something. So whenever they are typing something, that is automatically captured by the keylogger and it will be recorded so that the parents can have a track what they are keep track on what their kids are doing. So there are lot of advantages are there. So many disadvantages is also there. Suppose you are uh, suppose you are accessing your laptop of your friends. You don't have the laptop and you are asking laptop from your friend. And unfortunately or fortunately, he or she is installed the keylogger in that laptop. And you are accessing something, maybe banking transaction. You are doing some banking transaction with that laptop. What happens? You are doing all those things, return back the laptop to that person, your friend. He or she can able to see what you have typed. Definitely you may be typed your username and password. Definitely you may be typed in the username and password. So it can be easily captured at the other end. So this is the keylogger. This is actually the keylogger. So keylogger has there are advantages and it is up to you what purpose you are using. So anyway, it can be useful for the good purposes as well. So in the project, we are going to develop a keylogger, develop a small application with the keylogger. So keylogger, that is the keylogger. Whatever the things you are typing with your laptop, it is automatically captured and is saved in a file, and it is a backup file, save over there. In order to do this project is you can do with the help of Python. Python have a lot of libraries are there and they help to capture the keystrokes. So you can use OS modules, OS packages are there. You can import it, and the link already the project is explained how you can be implemented. That is available on the link on the SkillsBuild link. It is. I hope it is already shared with you. If it is not shared, it will share soon. I think it is already shared. So this is you just go through that video. There it is clearly mentioned how it can be how you can use these things. So it is implemented with the help of Python. Python 3, not using the Python 2. So try to implement by your own. It is a keylogger. So this is the one project that you have to do as part of this one. Modify.
Sir, if you can take some of the question
Yeah.
we have in the Q&A section.
Yeah, a lot of questions are there.
Yeah, so it's just the important ones or the common ones.
Yes. Tell you the password you are using. You tell the password you are using your SQL ingestion. Okay, in the SQL ingestion, the password and the username that I have used is this thing. Okay, single quote or 1 equal to 1 minus. This is the username and the same as the password. But there are a lot of other SQL ingestion codes are also there. But for the simple one is this one. You can use this. Okay, does it need a UI based or just a keystroke storing one? Okay, you can first of all you just this is a project based question whether it is you can first of all design a keylogger without GUI, and after it is if it is completely working then you can go for GUI based. It is in the link. It is we have done it with the GUI based. For that we have used the Tkinter package we have used for the GUI development. Can we develop a keylogger any other? We can create any languages. We can create a keylogger with any languages: Java, Python, C++, or C programming, or simply assembly languages as well. You can use. But as a part of this project, you have to do with the Python. Any sources or demo? Yeah, the source resources is there already. One link is there. It will be shared soon. If it is not shared, we will share that. Okay, we are not seeing the password there. It is the phishing attack question, I think. In the phishing attack, this is the thing. Okay, here the www.html page. Here fb. Here the username.txt is getting created. This is somebody has created. I think John. This is his username, and the password is an encrypted format. It is in the encrypted format. We need to decrypt the password so that you will get it. Okay, other email is kj@gmail.com. Somebody has typed this username, and the password is also in the encrypted format. We have to decrypt it. It is in the encrypted format. That is why you are not able to see. To be able to capture the password or not? Yes, definitely we are able to capture the username as well as password. What was the problem in my case is I have just how I have created the website. The fake website I have simply created with the original Facebook. From the original website, I have right click and copy the code from there. Instead of that, I can create my own website. I can use my own HTML, my own CSS, my own JavaScript, and I can design a website something exactly same as that Facebook. In that case, you can clearly get the password. If M0 connection reaches the free limit, it is a connection sent. Okay, warning messages. Yeah, definitely M0 is definitely not free. If it reaches free limit, it sends some warning messages. Can you open the hub.php? I think I have given the code. Hub.php code. I think I have given. Recording definitely we will share. Currently I have the last day to complete the module. Okay, go for is Ubuntu okay or go for Kali? Okay, Ubuntu or Kali Linux, any Linux based machines you can use for phishing. It is not related to any operating system based thing. You can even use the Windows machine just to create a website. You can open the notepad and type HTML code and the CSS and the style, all those things. From any operating system, you can create the website. Okay, here what is ngrok? There is another question. What is ngrok? Ngrok is nothing but it is a port forwarding tool. Whenever I am running the Apache 2 server, this website is only available in my machine, not available in public. So what I have done is I have two options. I can host this website on a domain or in a public server. So I can go for GoDaddy and purchase the domain name and some space, server space I need to purchase, and I can host it. That is one method, but it is some I need to pay some money. Okay, I need to pay some it is costly. That is why I am not choosing that one. But if I am using NGRock, the NGRock is this thing. Locally, one website is there. NGRock is made it as publicly available, or it is a pod format. So that is the use of NGRock. But upload PHP file script I have given. I am Kali Linux on Windows by. Okay, actually I am also using Kali Linux on Windows laptop by. Okay, Kali Linux on Windows. Yeah, on Windows, Kali Linux can be used with the help of either you can go for Oracle VirtualBox or VMware you can use. VMware or Oracle VirtualBox you can use, and you can load different operating systems on Oracle VirtualBox. For that, you just download Kali Linux OVA, just to search for Kali Linux OVA file, download the file and double click it, and then it is automatically loaded in the Oracle VirtualBox. After PHP script I have given. Can we do it in a virtual machine? Yeah, definitely we can do it in the virtual machines. What is the purpose of NGRock? I have answered. .php. Everyone is asking for .php. Upload PHP I have given. Public. Okay, we can use your public IP. Yeah, not to make it as public IP. That is why I am using this NGRock. Okay. Okay. I think the rest of the questions I have answered. Okay, if anybody have any other questions, you can post your questions. Okay, what is drive-by download? Okay, that all things we will discuss in the next session. It is whenever you are downloading something, for example, suppose I am sending a PDF file to you. Whenever you are downloading the PDF file, I can embed some virus or something in your that a PDF file or Word document or the Excel sheet. So we need to, before checking, we need to check what you are going to download. How many projects we need to, the keylogger is our final project. What was the project name is keylogger, the keylogger, that is the project name that you have to do. So I am a white hat hacker with whom permission I have to. If I am a white hat hacker, okay. If you are white hat hacker means it, you can work as a freelance base. You can go for bug bounty, or the white hat hackers are normally work for the government officials or cyber police, some government, for the government or some organization. Every organization have a cyber security expert. They are doing the good things, so they are called white hat hackers. How can send any suspicious Python file? One example of XSS. XSS is cross-site scripting. I can quickly show cross-site scripting. Okay, go to this website itself. Go to this website. Here, search button you can see, search option you can see. Here you can search something. Click on go means something. It is inside. Instead of searching, I can add some script. JavaScript code over here. I can run some JavaScript code, script, alert, hi, and script. And I am clicking search means you can see that the JavaScript code is running. That is why this pop-up is coming. So I can run the JavaScript, I can write any JavaScript code over there. That JavaScript code is running in the website. If you are writing some malicious JavaScript code, then you can capture some other information. That is called XSS attack. Which software is better to use, Kali Linux or Parrot? I am using Kali Linux. Parrot is better than Kali Linux because Parrot is having some additional features than Kali Linux. Recorder session will be shared. Okay. Okay, I hope I have answered most of the questions. So thank you all the students for actively participating in the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prince, for this wonderful session. Thank you all the students for joining in. And we have already shared in your respective group the attendance form for today's and the project topic name and the video of the project topic. The video is self-explanatory. You can just go and watch the video and you can just start creating your project. Please do not forget to mark your attendance. And those who have not yet registered on the SkillsBuild platform, I request all of you to kindly click on the self-registration link and please get yourself registered on the platform and do complete the learning plan because the learning plan is part of your internship as well. So get yourself registered on the platform, complete the learning plan, mark your attendance, and we have already shared the project topic and the link. The video is self-explanatory. You just watch and start creating the project. You can join, you are going to join the second technical session next week, same time, same day. Then maybe you can have more questions to ask if you start working on your project. And we will be sharing the session recording, today's session recording tomorrow. And yes, thank you so much for joining in.